It's almost the new year, but you can still take advantage of tax credits on energy efficient products. Joining us now from the EPA is Energy Star Communications Director Kristen Sharp. Kristen, good morning to you. Want to start just by setting the stage with these new products or with the renewed energy credits. Is it good enough to just buy the products, or do you have to buy the products and install them before the end of the year?
Hi, Jen. You do actually have to buy them and install them in the next 4 days.
Okay, so that kind of sets the stage for our limits as to what we can do before December 31st. What would be some of the easiest ways to take advantage of the tax credits available?
Well, so I do want to mention that Energy Star certifies products across more than 70 different product categories all year round, and all of them are going to save you energy and money. There are about a dozen products that qualify for the 2016 federal tax credit, Jen. The whole list can be viewed at EnergyStar.gov. For most of them, you would want to you'd have to purchase and install the product by December 31st, like you said. So I would suggest calling a contractor, a home performance with Energy Star contractor, if you really want to take advantage of a larger tax credit that expires, because you'd have to get on their books for the last 4 days of 2016. So if you're in the market, for instance, for new doors or windows, water heaters, or a new central AC system, for example, those are all products on the tax credit list. This is the time of year when we realize just how drafty our windows and doors are. So you could pick up products like insulation, weather stripping, caulk, or spray foam in a can. The tax credit for insulation products is 10% of the cost, up to $500. So, smaller projects like that you can do yourself would be great to go ahead and pick up and take advantage of yourself.
How do you actually go about claiming the credits?
So the credit you wouldn't have to claim until you're doing your taxes. And I should say I'm not from the IRS, I'm not a tax expert, but we have great information on our EnergyStar.gov website. So right there in the center, there's a calculator icon, and you can go, and each of the products will take you through exactly what you have to do.
Can you give us a ballpark for how much a household could possibly save just, based on the tax credits?
Sure. So most of the tax credits are about $150. They range from $150 to $300.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is there a limit? Is there an upper limit, or you can, purchase and install and keep on going?
No. So there are limits, and I would just again mention there are serious caveats and details with each one. So I really recommend you go to the website and check each tax credit.
And we can check out the list there as well. Kristen Sharp from Energy Star there at the EPA. Thank you so much for the information this morning.